Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notion automations for task management step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Notion website. Log in to your Notion account.
Once logged in, click on the Templates option in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll through the available templates or use the search bar to find task management templates.
Choose a template that suits your needs. Click on the selected template to view its details. On the template page, look for the Duplicate button in the upper right corner. Click on the Duplicate button to add the template to your workspace. Now, go to your workspace and locate the duplicated template. Open the template to see its layout and automation features. To set up automations, click on Integrations in the left sidebar. Select Automations from the Integrations menu. Choose an automation option that fits your task management needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect external apps if necessary. Once connected, set the conditions for the automation to trigger. Define the specific actions that should occur when the automation is triggered. For example, you may want to move tasks to a different database or update their status. Review the automation settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click the Save button to activate the automation. Return to your task management template. Test the automation by creating a new task that meets your conditions. Observe if the automation executes as expected. If adjustments are needed, revisit the automation. Continue refining your setups until you achieve the desired functionality.
Now, your Notion setup is ready for effective task management with automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.